Changing your payout method at Woodforest National Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payout method is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Woodforest National Bank website or mobile app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select payout method. In account settings, look for an option labeled payout method or payment preferences. Click on this option to view your current payout methods. Step 4. Update your payout method. Choose the option to edit or change your payout method. You may need to provide new banking information or select a different payout option available. Step 5. Confirm changes. After updating your payout method, review the changes and confirm. You may receive a confirmation message or email indicating that your payout method has been successfully updated. Make sure to check your account periodically to ensure that your new payout method is functioning as intended.